Hi Portland renters, today we're at 5624 Southwest Riverside Lane, unit number 8. This home is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit. So let's head on in. So when you first walk in, you're going to notice the kitchen. So you have a refrigerator, dishwasher, stove and oven there, range. And then we have the dining area here, living room, and we have the fireplace there. And then as we head down the hallway, we have the bathroom here. So this has been updated, as you can see, with the cabinets, mirror there, light fixtures, and then you have the subway tile, which is super cute. Little extra storage there. And then this one is a stand-up shower, as you can see. And then we have the master here. So very spacious, as you can see. Closet there. And then you also have the updated bathroom. So subway tile, cabinets there, mirror, extra storage, and same thing with the stand-up shower. And then you have washer dryer here with storage up above. And then you have the second bedroom here. And you have closet space there. So that door actually opens to the living room area, so it can kind of be an open space as well, or you can keep it closed off as a bedroom. And then as you can see, there's a lot of natural lighting that enters the home through the windows, and then we'll go out to the patio so you can see the view. And then this is the view from the patio there with the common grounds. And then back inside. And then we'll take a view of the front area here. So the unit is on the second level, so you come up those stairs there. And then this just is a view of the parking lot there. And that is Riverside Lane.